How to fix Gmail crashing problem. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So today is the topic that I have told you. So guys, before starting this video, I want to say you something that if you are new in this video, then please hit the subscribe buttons and hit the like buttons and let's follow what I say. Okay. So here we go. At first you have to go in your settings. And after going in settings, you have to go for search your app management. So guys, in my mobile I have app management, and if you have app permissions, okay guys, app management I have, and you may have app permissions. So you have to go there and you have to just click for app list, and after that what you have to do, here you can see this loading all the apps. Now you have to search for Gmail. So after coming here, to solve your Gmail problem fix, crashing problem fix, you have to go for storage users and you have to clear cache and clear data. Okay, so after doing this, what you have to do, you have to come for permissions, and after that you have to allot in all the files. In calendar also it should be allow. Now you can see this, I have allow my files, and in everything you should be allow, okay, not then. So after coming there, if it is totally not working, then what you have to do, you have to click for force stop and you have to switch off your mobile up to 1 or 2 minutes, and you can switch it on back again. Your problem will be solved. Okay guys, so guys, this is how you have to do, and thanks for watching this video.